wish I could go out like that.
You can! By using the Dooradar cat leash and harness set.
What's that?
It's a harness made just for cats, with breathable air mesh suitable for all 4 seasons. Adjustable neck strap to give you a snug fit. Safety D-ring to prevent that pressure on your little neck. And quick release buckles for extra security.
Wow!
And not just that, there's more. A 360 metal swivel clip to allow you to move without tangles, and sturdy nylon webbing for extra security.
Where can I get one of those?
The Dooradar cat leash and harness set. Get one today.